Hi guys, good morning. Today I'm going to be getting my hair done. I have not seen the guy that does my extensions in, I want to say almost a year. No, I'm lying. It's probably like fall last year. So anyway, super exciting. So that's why my hair is up. No extensions, no clip-ins, no anything. I removed my extensions, I think around like April or May this year. So just to kind of cope with the pregnancy and the move, and it was just like one less thing to kind of worry about and to maintain. But now I'm ready for some hair. We leave to Hawaii on Monday. So yeah, I feel like things are starting to feel a little bit more under control, and it's, we weren't at all thinking about doing a vacation this year just because we have a lot going on, but then Adam assured me that it was necessary, and I do think it'll be nice to just get away for a week. It's been obviously like stressful, any move is stressful, but anyway, so I'll be bringing you along to Hawaii as well. We are actually going to be going back to the same island where we had our honeymoon. So 9 years later, we're back with a bump. Not with Olive. No, she's staying. But yeah, excited to get my hair done. We're also doing something completely different that I've never done before, which is like a hand-tied weft versus like tape-ins or, you know, any other method. So yeah, I'm excited to have something that's like different, see how, I can't imagine like not having like tapes or anything kind of in my hair. So yeah, I'm excited to have that. Excited to go be a mermaid for a week next week. Just gonna have some quick breakfast, and also I'm gonna go by our old condo because our tenants move in today, and of course something had to go wrong. Our sink is clogged, or our kitchen sink. So anyway, we tried to call maintenance, like emergency maintenance, in last night. They weren't able to, so my dad is there trying to fix it, always rescuing us. So yeah, gonna have some breakfast, go over to the condo, check that out, and then hair time. Alright, so I made it to the salon. We are ready to get started. He always starts off by washing my hair. I think it's the best way to ensure a proper application, and also in doing a full blowout, it helps you see the blend of the extensions to the natural hair so much more beautifully, both the texture and the color. So once the hair was clean and blown out, he started to section off the hair. I like a pretty low sectioning or pretty low application. Personally, for my haircut and style of hair I have, I just feel like it always gives a more natural blend. And we're only doing one row of hand-tied wefts. So in order to anchor the hand-tied wefts, he is going to apply these metal beads through the back. This is one of the methods that gets placed in more of a U shape, which I also think gives a much more natural fall to the hair, meaning the hair will move a little bit more naturally and freely compared to other application methods. So then he measures the weft to the circumference of the head and then starts to clip them on just to see where they'll be sitting right before he starts to sew them in. Once he finds a good placement, he will start hand sewing them in. It's a very quick application. It's super sturdy, and personally I think it's probably one of the most comfortable methods I've tried. Also keep in mind, the more hair you have, the more high maintenance, of course, it will be, both with just taking care of it at home, and also, of course, it'll be more expensive with maintenance in the long run. But it definitely pays to go to someone who is knowledgeable and an expert in extension application. The hair itself is an investment, so you absolutely want the proper application and someone to be doing it correctly. Any hair application method, if it is done well, it will pay off in the long run. So once we were all sewn in, he just quickly styled me and I was ready to go. Unfortunately, my battery ran out because I just ended up recording the whole thing. You will see just a very short clip of me leaving the salon. But yeah, definitely loving the extra inches and this new method. Hair's done. Hi guys, so it is the next day. As you can see, my camera battery died yesterday and then it was late. So yeah, I am actually at my OB appointment and today I'm going to be doing super gross glucose test where you have to drink that super sugary drink so that they can test your blood sugar. But anyway, here is the hair, if you can see it. But yeah, this is the hair. I'm so impressed by the color blend, loving the length, and yeah, it feels nice to have some hair again. I am loving how comfortable the hand-tied wefts are opposed to tapes or, you know, other methods. So yeah, I guess this is going to be it for this video. And so yeah, next week I should be sharing my Hawaii vlog, which was our baby moon trip. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.